Hello friends, welcome to Digital Learning Portal, a unique education platform. Today I am going to discuss with you previous year question 2019, your English questions. So let's start. So this is the question. You have 20 questions in your exam. So first question is, identify the error in the given below. The question is, the child was so sick that she cannot walk to the clinic. Here in these questions we have to identify error. Options are no error. Options 2, that she cannot walk. Option 3, to the clinic. Option 4, the child was so sick. So my dear students, my dear friends, I need to explain you that the error is number 2 option, that is that she cannot walk, as the first sentence which is given us, the child was so sick. In this sentence was in past form, so we have to change the verb, modal verb, cannot into could not. So we have to change it into past form. So its answer will be option 2, that she cannot walk. Then comes to option question number 2. The question is, what does the phrasal verb run across mean? That means, see, what is the meaning of the phrasal verb run across? Here we have to remember this. The answer is to meet somebody by chance. This is the correct answer. So for third questions, identify a correct spelled word. Here we have given 4 options. We have to choose any one words which is pronounced spelled correctly. So here we have, you see, this is the correct answer. Extension is correctly spelled. And for option 1, exaggeration, its spelling will be EXAGGERATION, which is the correct spelling. Option number 3, mystification. It is also correct. It is not correctly spelled. That is its answer in spelling will be mystification. That will be MYSTIFICATION. So this is also error. So its answer will be option number 2. Then we have a number 4 questions. Change the following sentence into reported speech. I shall go for a walk tomorrow. This is the questions, and we have to change it into reported speech. Here we have to identify the reporter, the reported speech, and the reported verb. Here the reporter is I. I is the reporter, and shall go is the and is so Johnny is the reporter, and a reported verb is said, SID. This is the reported verb, and a reported speech is I shall go for a walk. This is reported verb. So its answer will be Johnny, number 4. Its answer, Jenny said that she could go for a walk on the following day. When we change the sentence in a reported speech, indirect speech, so we need to change the I change into C. Here Johnny is the feminine form, and the reported and the shall change into should, and tomorrow change into the following day. So its answer will be Jenny said that number 4 answer will be correct answer. Jenny said that she would go for a walk on the following day. It is the correct answer. Next we have a number 5 question. So number 5 question, see, we have fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. Dash mail that I received yesterday was from my friend. Here we have to insert article. Options are on, no article a, and option 4 is the. Here we have to understand that when we have a particular sense or a definite sense, we have to use article the. So here in these questions we have to use the article the. Its answer will be article the. And next we have number 6 questions, fill in the blanks with the appropriate words. He sat a dash and saw that he was dash the foot of a vast precipice. Here he sat off and saw that he was at the foot of a vast precipice. So for a particular sense, particular destinations, we have to use the preposition at. Then we have a number 7 questions, spot the error. Gandhiji's elder brother always wear a golden bangle on his arm. Options are Gandhiji's elder brother, option 2 on his arm, option 3 a golden bangle on his arm, option 4 always a wear. Here the error is always a wear. Why? Because the sentence Gandhiji's elder brother always wear a golden bangle on his arm, as this sentence is a past events. So as it is a past event, so we have to use to. So the sentence will be Gandhiji's elder brother used to wear a golden bangle on his arm. This sentence was the correct sentence. So here the error is always a wear. Next questions we have a number 8 questions, rearrange the shuffled sentence in a meaningful one. This is the jumble word sentence. We have to arrange it in. Here number 3 options is the correct answer. So here option 3, Nelson Mandela's autobiography bears the appropriate title, The Long Walk to Freedom. This is the correct answer. Then we go to number 9. This is the questions, identify the error in the sentence given below. Einstein was 16, 2 years younger than his fellow applicants. So you have to choose errors. Options are then his fellow applicants. Einstein was 16, no improvement, 2 years younger. These are the options. We have to choose correct answer. As the questions was Einstein was 16 and 2 years younger, this will be the error. So its answer will be then. So here we saw then. So its answer will be error will be then his fellow applicants. This is the error. Then we have number 10 questions, change the following sentence into inadequate speech. That will be indirect speech. We have the questions. I said to him, she was baking a chocolate pie. As it is a direct speech, we need to convert it into indirect speech. Here the reported verb, reported speech and a reported verb, we have to choose it. Here reported is I and said is the reported verb, and the reported speech is she was baking a chocolate pie. This is the reported speech. What will be its answer? As we have to convert it, its answer will be option 3. I told him that she had been baking a chocolate pie. As the reported speech was in past progressive form, so we have to convert it into past progressive, perfect progressive form. So its answer will be option number 3. Then we have number 11 questions. Synonym of criticism. What will be its answer? Opinion. Opinion is the correct answer. Then we have number 12 questions. Meaning of hold on. Its answer will be to delay. To delay is the correct answer of number 12. Then we have a number 13 questions. Choose an appropriate meaning of this idiom. What is the meaning of this idiom? A hot potato. What is its answer? Its answer is a sensitive or a controversial issue that is difficult to handle. This is the correct answer. Then we have a number 14 questions. A person who is 100 years more is known as dash. For 100 we use the word century. So here in this case we have to use centenarian. This is the correct answer. A person who is 100 years or more is known as a centenarian is the correct answer. This is the OIVS 2019 questions. I hope you understood this properly. So please like, share, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you all of you.